Hey guys, Min here. So I am excited. I am about to go on a 2-week trip to Southeast Asia, going to visit Thailand, Singapore, and Japan. And I will be traveling just with my suitcase and my trusty backpack. So I am going to show you how I'm packing for the 2 weeks. And there's a variety of events, variety of places I'm going. So let's get started. Alright, first I will start off with what I am wearing. One of the key things of packing lightly and packing minimally is to wear what you need on the day of travel, so that's basically an extra set of clothing that you have to account for. So what I'm wearing is I'm wearing a light jacket. That's a very, very comfortable jacket. And I'm also wearing a merino wool shirt, underwear, a convertible pants that's both a short and a pants that I can use for multiple purposes, socks, and that's about it. So from there, of course my hat. And from there, let's talk about what I need to pack. For multiple days, I'll be in Bangkok on a city tour, and also I'll be visiting Phuket. So there's a lot of beach places. So I packed 2 swim trunks, 2 different types. This one is simply very small, and I like it. And 2 shorts, in addition to the short that's also I'm wearing this one. And the reason for the number of shorts is because I have a couple of dinners sort of a beach dinners I'm attending. So I got 2 long sleeve shirts, Tommy Bahamas shirts. I got a short sleeve shirt. I got a polo shirt. I got a couple of t-shirts. A Uniqlo t-shirt, and also this t-shirt, that's the stainless t-shirt. If you want to learn more about that, check it out here. Also a rash guard and another ultralight merino wool shirt. 4 pairs of underwear, including mine, is 5 pairs of underwear. 4 pairs of socks, all merino wool, including what I'm wearing. So that's 5 pairs of socks. Another dry fit shirt, or this is actually Lululemon, so it's not dry fit. And notice that I like to roll them in Ranger rolls, or I like to call it little burritos. And also my puffy. This is a really, really good puffy, and this is a Arc'teryx ultralight. And that's it. Oh, I'm a hat person, so I got a bunch of hats that I'm going to be taking with me. And also my drone, and 2 pairs of shoes, including what I'm wearing on the day of, which will be 3 pairs of shoes. One sort of a semi-dress pair, and one is King's. This is mostly for Phuket and travel and so on. Multiple purposes for hiking as well. Lens cleaning kit, and that's it. Most of my clothing will be fitting into this packing cube. So let's get started. Start the 2X now. All right, so most of my clothing is already fit in this packing cube. For the socks, I will put it into the shoes, so save some space. And now I'm going to get the suitcase and I'll load it up. Okay. So on the suitcase, there's 2 sides. One side is with the ridges, and one side is with the flats. And what we want to do is we want to look at the wheel side. We'll put this on the bottom. Oh, let me get some plastic bags. So I'll put this in up and down like this, put it in the plastic bag. And we'll put it vertical, so it'll save us most amount of space. For this, we'll put it this way. I'll put it in another bag. And we'll put it this way here. Okay? And the rest of it, we can just simply, boom. And the 3 shorts, you can just lean it on top, like so. And there you go. On this side, I got my tech gear, my drone. I'll put it here. And I got a tripod. Put it there. And that's it. I'm packed. That's all I have. There's plenty of space for expansion, for other things. So there's some questions then. It says, hey man, where is your toiletry bag and where is all the other stuff? Well, the other stuff is actually in my backpack. So this is my backpack and it's the e-bag, and in the front there's a space for my toothbrush and my toiletry bag, which you can see more detail about what's inside here, and also my first aid kit. All right, put it back. So in the front, I got my sunglasses, and also I got my travel utensils, fork, chopstick, and also have a plastic knife somewhere here too. I got everything I need here, including my passport and pens and all sorts of stuff. Inside, this is where all the rest of the portable tech's going to be. I got my X3, I got my gimbal, and I got this little bag of goodies for my Go Insta360 Go. Okay. On this side, I got my Bose headset, got my laptop, and I got my kit of tech goodies, just tech goodies with memory card, microphone, and also a hard drive. That's it. And also I have my iPad Pro here on this side as well. And finally, everything needs power. So everything for all the technical portion of it is all in this technical garage. And I don't know if you can see it. This is a sight of beauty. I have one power supply with four plugs in here. That's 2 USB-Cs and 2 USB-A plugs. That's going to power everything. This is a 120 watt power supply, and that's going to power everything. I got one of these chargers that splits open, so I could charge everything from my AirPod to Apple Watch and my iPhone, and which will also connect to that power supply. I got a Bluetooth speaker. I got a, this is a Fire Stick and a mouse. So in case I need to do some work or something like that. So that's everything I need for my garage, for a power, garage. And that's about it. So this is what I'm going to be taking with me. It's not light, but it's compact. And that's going to basically let me travel around for 2 weeks in South Asia. So I hope this was helpful to you. If it is, give me a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next video while I'm traveling. Bye!